I've got this caulking tool kit that I'm going to demonstrate for you today. I've got a manual gun and I've also got a battery powered caulk gun. And let's go ahead and see what's all inside this package. So first of all, it comes in a reusable Ziploc see-through bag. This was the packaging, so low waste. Looks like comes with some tape. It has a nozzle cover. In this we get a trowel and scraper, and in this trowel and scraper you'll see that there are several tips included as well. And the tips that are included are listed right here, from 3R, 6R, 10R, 13R, and 17R. And it shows here all the demonstrations, how to use those. We have a closed tip cover, so after the caulk has been used, I can close it up. We have two cleaning brushes, a scraper tool, and different angled trowel tools. So if I open these up, I can show you an example. They show you how you can make that certain round bead or a triangular bead. It has a handle to hold it as you're making that bead. Again, what you can see here is you can see the angles. So there's 90 degrees and there's 5 and 8. So I can adjust all of these. Here is a 16 and here's a grout.